Right, so I don't know if you can see me or not, but anyway, I actually love this. I thought maybe I'd do a soldering video. Now, the stuff I need hasn't came like, I got the soldering iron. I made this because I don't like using a sponge. I got my solder sucker, got my wire clippers, I got bags of wire. But none of my components have came. I got my heatproof mat. But none of my components have came, so yeah. But then again, I want to ask you guys if you want something, so we're gonna do like something simple. But yeah, I need to know if you guys want to see stuff like this, because I don't even know. But I know my channel will constantly go through these phases where it's like Minecraft, modding Minecraft, vlogs, horror stories, Fallout, commentaries, rants, live streams. Yeah, I'm always changing, so I hope you guys are here because you like me and not the content that I actually make. Which I think a lot of you guys are. So if you guys are interested in seeing this sort of stuff, tell me, I guess.